Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Monday. Y'all, as promised, I told y'all I was going to do the Hat Ones challenge, y'all. And your girl got all the Hat Ones challenge. I said all the Hat Ones challenge. All the Hat Ones Pringles, y'all. This one here is not even a challenge, I don't believe, y'all. This is just probably something that I done made up, okay? But, y'all, we are going to try all of these. Yeah, we have the barbecuer. And y'all know when I seen this one, y'all, I was like, yes, this is a must. Y'all remember, I'm trying to see y'all. It's a little glare. It's a little glare, y'all. But anyways, this right here, y'all, is the barbecuer one. Y'all remember I had that Chipotle barbecuer burrito bomb. This right here one, I believe, is Rojo, R-O-J-O. If I'm wrong, y'all, let your girl know in the comments, okay? Alright, y'all, this right here one is the Verde, okay? Which is like the green chili, y'all. This right here is actually my favorite hot sauce in a Tabasco. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, y'all, we're going to get straight into it, y'all. I got my mama on the side, y'all. She loved her some spicy food, y'all. So I figured if I'm going to do this, why not let her try it too? Okay, y'all. We're going to get straight into it. Y'all know I'm scared. Y'all know I don't like spicy stuff. But I'm trying to bring y'all this content. So pray for your girl, okay? Woo, y'all. I always watch that Hat Ones show on YouTube, y'all. I'm scared. Oh, y'all, it smells so spicy. Oh my gosh, it smells spicy. Ooh. Ooh. Then I just keep on smelling it. Alright, y'all. I'm going to get a chip. I'm only going to try one. Because I'm not about that life. I think this right here was a bad idea. I really do. Let me pass it to my mom so she can get her chip. Yeah, I think this right here was a bad idea. Like, I'm trying to see if it looked like it has some spices up on it, but it don't. Y'all, this right here just look like a regular, like, Pringle chip, y'all. It's scary. It looks like an original Pringle chip. Like, if somebody to be like, put these inside the original Pringle chips and be like, here, you want a Pringle? You wouldn't even know it was a spicy one. Alright, y'all. You got yours out? Okay, let me see. Thank you. Alright, y'all. We about to get into it, okay? And 3. Comment down below. Wait a minute, y'all. Stalling, okay? Comment down below and let your girl know if you had them before. Let me know if they were spicy. Let me know if you will buy them again. Let me know if you were just like, too much for me. I don't want them, okay? All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Cheers. 3, 2, 1. Oh, y'all hot. Y'all immediately. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. My ear tingling. Oh. Say something.
It's not hot.
Speak up for the people.
It's not hot to me.
Oh. Y'all, this is hot. Y'all, this is hot. My mouth. Oh, I was about to say, I'm going to try another one for you. I was like, oh. Y'all don't think I can. My mom told me it's not hot to her. But y'all, she eats ghost pepper hot sauce. Habanero hot sauce. Everything spicy, y'all. Woo! Moving on. Moving on. Oh my gosh, y'all. It is really hot. Like, the tip of my tongue is still hot. Oh, help me. Alright, y'all. Moving on. This right here one is the Rojo one. R-O-J-O. Woo! Y'all, I'm scared. Oh, I hope this one is not red. Y'all, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, this one is red. This is red, y'all. OMG. Oh wee. Oh wee. Oh, then they had the nerve to smoke the pepper. Y'all, it smelled like smoked hot pepper. Oh my goodness, look at that. Y'all. Whoo. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. They is wrong for this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, my mom got hers. Hers is spicy on both sides. Both sides of yours is red. Mine's is just a little red on this side. Alright, y'all. This right here is the ROJO one. Okay. My mouth is just now cooling off and I got to get right back into it. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Okay. 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 Oh, this one's a creeper. Oh, this one is growing on me, y'all. Oh, this one right here sitting there having a conversation, y'all. Woo-wee. Oh, help me. This one is a grower. Woo. Y'all was doing good because I was like, okay. I was vibing real good. I was like, okay. Because it had like that tang, like a vinegar taste to it. And then, y'all, when I tell you, it sat down and literally started holding a conversation right there on my tongue, y'all. Say something. My mom. Y'all, my mom was just sitting there chilling, y'all. I'm over here like, I'm literally holding my hands like this. This is how I'm sitting, y'all, just like this. I ain't learned.
It's not hot to me.
Oh my goodness. Y'all, we're gonna have to run it back. Cause she gonna have to get back up in there. Oh. Y'all, the top on our lip right here on the inside is hot. Woo. Okay. Whoa, hold up. I shouldn't have touched it, y'all. Oh, try to blow it off. Oh, help me. Okay, y'all, moving on. This right here is the barbecue, y'all. I hope that this tastes like barbecue or beef. I ain't lying. Because, y'all, I do miss that burrito from Chipotle, but I've been trying to do good, y'all. I haven't been trying to get it. But I might have to get that burrito tomorrow. I may just gonna have to do it. Hold up. You see, y'all, this is the problem. They be looking deceiving. Because, see, look. This right here looks good. It's like, okay, it can't be that bad. Probably like a little barbecue. You get what I'm saying? Like, I bet you this... Whoa. Oh, no, it ain't bad. But it is... It seems like it's a little darker than the other one. Y'all, the last round, I'm going to try all three together. Because I ain't no punk. Okay? I'm trying all three together because I ain't no punk. Oh, help me. Let me smell it, y'all. Let me smell it. You see? If this one is spicy, I'm going to be so mad, y'all. Because it smells like it's not. It don't smell spicy at all, do it? Don't have no smell to it at all, y'all. Watch this be the worst one. Oh, my goodness. Watch this tear me up. Watch all this right here is like cayenne pepper and red chili flakes all crunched up together in chipotle hot chili. Watch that's all that all together. Habanero and everybody, all the spicy family members in the pepper household. Watch is all of them on this right here one. Because it don't smell spicy. Oh, help me. Okay. Alright, y'all. And 3, 2. If y'all are still here. If y'all have made it this far in this video, y'all enjoyed me Sabotaging myself. Burning up my taste buds. Burning the top layer of my lip and tongue off. Hit that like button, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell to be notified, y'all, and get up in them comments. Let me know if y'all could do it better than me. Let me know if y'all can eat these chips and have no reaction. I'm going to try to do this one with no reaction. Okay, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Ooh. Okay, y'all. I don't even know how to grab it, y'all. I don't even want all this up on my fingers. Ooh. Okay, y'all. No reaction.
Not hot at all.
It could be a grower. Don't speak too soon. Okay. Y'all think I'm gonna do 2 of these because I didn't really get no flavor. Did you?
But
Okay.
they're not,
You got to do another one.
but none of them not spicy.
We got to do another one, y'all, because this right here one, literally, is no reaction.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? It's no reaction, literally, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'm going to try this one again, this barbecue one. Because it didn't give anything, like my mouth or nothing. Unless my palate is just burnt numb, it's not spicy. I eat that every day. Hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I felt a little tingle. Yeah, what my mom said. Like, yeah, I felt a little tingle. But that one was the weakest one out of all of them, y'all. All right, y'all. Now, I'm going to do one of each. Are you going to do one of each too? Are you about that life? Give me a second, y'all. I'll be right back in y'all faces. Y'all, look at this right here one. Y'all, I'm giving this one to my mom. I'm going to take that one, y'all. I got to look. Okay, y'all. That one was the Rojo. I'm going to put the barbecue in the middle because that one is not all that spicy. I don't know if y'all can hear my son in the background, y'all, but he is playing. And y'all know he be loud when he play. Then I'm going to put the Verde on top because the Verde was also spicy, y'all. So what I'm trying to do is put spicy on top and spicy on bottom and mild in the middle. My mom is laughing, y'all, but I'm trying to get an assembly sandwich together. So this right here is my mom's, y'all. Why? Because it includes this one. And because she feel like she can handle it, she's about that life, she's getting this one.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Ooh, almost dropped it. Almost dropped it, y'all. Your girl is clumsy. Okay, y'all. Let me show y'all my sandwich. Oh, wait a minute. Did I give her the wrong one? Oh, my gosh. Y'all, I don't know if I gave her the wrong one or not. Did I just sabotage myself? Or was both of them just spicy looking? I don't even know how to put it in my mouth, y'all. I want to put it in like this, but that wouldn't even make sense. Then I want to put it in like this, but I don't feel like that would make sense either. I feel like either way, this one going to tear my mouth up. I think I'm switching my assembly. I'm switching it. I'm putting Rojo right there. Barbecue, Rojo, Verde. That's how I'm getting down, y'all. Because I cannot let that Rojo touch my tongue or the roof of my mouth. It's just disrespectful. Okay, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Oh my God. I don't think I have a good idea. How you doing over there, Mom?
I'm doing good.
Oh! Whoa! Ah! Oh, y'all, that was not a good idea. Y'all can't feel my nothing up in there. Oh, help me. I about to say my tongue, my lip, nothing up in there. Oh, that was a bad idea. Y'all, I'm dying on the inside right now. Okay? And I'm not even being dramatic, y'all, but my mom, y'all, I don't get her, for real. Y'all remember that time I told y'all that she did that Cluck You Chicken Challenge? Where you got to sign your life away before they give you that real spicy chicken? Oh. And y'all, she ate it like... People was coming all up in there, y'all. Y'all remember the story? And she just ate that chicken like it was nothing. Oh, help me. And I seen like people sweating. People were crying. That chicken was tearing people up. My mom was just eating it. Like it was just regular old mild buffalo wings. Y'all, the top of my mouth is tore up, y'all. And then I told my mom, this right here ain't gonna make no sense or make it any better. But for some reason, y'all do not want me to drink this mellow yellow. And I don't know why. But I'm gonna drink it today. Does that make sense? No. But the whole point is for it to be a spicy challenge, right? Yes. I told y'all I don't feel like nobody is doing this. I feel like I done invented this, okay, y'all? Right after eating them spicy chips, we not going to go into no water. Why we not going to go into no water? Because that would make sense. But we not trying to make sense tonight. My mouth. We're going to go straight into this mellow yellow. Okay, y'all? Oh, that don't make sense. But hey, we here. Woo-wee. All right, y'all. Cheers. Oh, help me. Oh. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Whoa, that was a fire burp. Y'all, I feel like a dragon. I feel like I just blew flames.
Toothless.
Oh. My mom called me toothless. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm burning up right now, y'all, I'm burning up. My whole mouth is just in flames right now. Literally. And y'all, I'm trying to keep still. I cannot. I'm not good with spices, y'all. I'm really not. Like, my favorite hot sauce is Crystals. So that tells y'all a lot about me and spice. I'm not good with it. Not at all. I used to like spicy food, y'all. And then I just stopped eating it. And when I stopped eating it, y'all, now my tolerance is like 0. Probably a 2. Because I feel like Crystals is like probably a 2 on the spice level. Probably not even included on the spice level to somebody that really likes spicy food. Y'all. Woo. I ain't about to sit here and drink all this soda. Okay, y'all? Oh, good Lord. Oh! Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching this video, y'all. My mouth is on fire. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm about to go get me some water. Probably a piece of bread just to stuff right up in this area. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay? If y'all are not scared, do this challenge. Go and find them hot ones, y'all. I found it in my shoppers, okay? Give me a second. I told y'all I'm turning into a dragon. I'm literally dragging out right now. Oh, help me, y'all. Oh. See, that's the flame. Because that's how it feels when it comes up. It feels like, oh. And I feel like it's flames everywhere. Like I'm burning everybody up behind me. And there's nobody there. I'm getting up off of here, y'all. Okay? I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video, y'all. Okay, y'all? I have a surprise for y'all. I want to show y'all, like, pin it right here. But I don't think I am, y'all. But what I will say is I'll be drinking something that's special to me. Okay, y'all? And I'm going to bring my special drink that I love to you all. And y'all know I love me some root beer, okay? But when I tell y'all that I really do love this drink, I really do love this drink, y'all, okay? And it is a rare drink. It's not something that you can just go into your store and find, y'all. I had to order this offline. Okay, y'all? So tune into tomorrow's video because it's going to be special to me. And I hope that my special drink is special to you, okay? Continue to enjoy your day. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We appreciate you. Welcome to my channel. And to all my OGs that's been rocking with your girl since day 1, day 2, or day 3, I appreciate y'all for tuning in as well. Okay, y'all? I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Until we chat. What is that? Why am I doing this? My mouth is so hot, I don't know what to do. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye.